This is tutorial number 139, and it covers how to use the Fix Sketch Relation feature within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, let's open up a new part file. Let's click File, click New, click Part, click OK. So in this tutorial, using the Add Relations button again, I'm going to show you how to fix a sketch within SOLIDWORKS. Now, why you would want to fix a sketch is if you want it, when you're adding relations and whatnot and everything else to it, you want it to remain in that place. So once you fix a sketch, it doesn't move. So when you say add a relation to another sketch with it, that sketch is going to stay in place and the other sketch is going to be moved. So to start off, let's draw in a couple circles. So click the front plane and let's just draw a couple circles and just make them in line with each other. Click OK. Now let's add a smart dimension from this circle to this circle. Make it 150. Now, as you saw, the circle on the right moved. Now, say that we want the circle on the left to move. What we would do is, first, let's delete this dimension. We would go into our Add Relation, click on this sketch, and click Fix. So now, if we click OK, this sketch is fixed in that position, and it will not move. So now, if we do the Smart Dimension, if we click this point and this point, and let's make it 200. Now the circle on the left will move, and the circle on the left moved. The one on the right stayed in position. So by using the Fix feature, sketch relation feature, you're able to fix a sketch in a certain position that you want, and it will never move. If what this is really resembling is something like the origin. The origin is always fixed, so lots of times when you make relations to this, it will never move. It's always the sketch that's going to move. The origin never moves. The origin is always there. With fixing a component, that's pretty much the same as, you can kind of say that's what you're doing. You're giving it a coordinate system, a coordinate on the sketch, wherever it may be, and it's going to be planted there, it's going to stay there, and it's going to become like a reference for everyone else to move around from. Now, you can do this with more complex sketches or less complex, it doesn't matter, but fixing a sketch, if you ever have, say you have like a bunch of lines, such as that, and every time you go, let's make a dimension, so let's dimension this to be 20, and you don't want that whole side to move, you want the other side to move in, so press Ctrl Z just to go back. So what you'd have to do is fix this line here, so click Add Relation, fix it, click OK, add that same relation in there, make it 20, and now the other side's going to move. So by fixing a part of a sketch, you're fixing the sketch to manipulate it the way you want it to manipulate. So fixing a sketch, fix whatever part of the sketch right in that position, and you're able to reference and make the other parts of the sketch or the other sketches move in relation to that fixed component. And that concludes how to fix a sketch within SOLIDWORKS.